Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into 5 incredible herbal treatments that can promote longevity, health and well-being. We're going to explore the potential benefits of these natural remedies and how they can be incorporated into a healthy lifestyle. Some herbs may interact with certain medications, so it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new treatments. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with ashwagandha, often referred to as Indian ginseng. This powerful herb has been a staple in Ayurvedic medicine for over 3,000 years. Ashwagandha is classified as an adaptogen, meaning it helps your body adapt to stress. Think of it as your secret weapon against the daily grind. When stress hormones like cortisol are running high, ashwagandha swoops in to restore equilibrium. Studies have shown that ashwagandha may positively impact cognitive function, including memory and focus. Imagine feeling sharper, more alert, and ready to tackle your day head-on. Beyond its cognitive perks, ashwagandha has also demonstrated potential in enhancing energy levels. Unlike stimulants that provide a temporary jolt, ashwagandha works by supporting your body's natural energy production. Ashwagandha's adaptogenic properties extend to supporting a healthy sleep cycle. By calming the mind and reducing stress hormones, it can pave the way for more restful, rejuvenating sleep. Research suggests that it can improve exercise performance by increasing muscle strength and endurance. Incorporating ashwagandha into your routine is simple and versatile. It's available in various forms, including capsules, powders and teas. With its remarkable ability to combat stress, sharpen the mind, and boost energy levels, ashwagandha is a true powerhouse for enhancing longevity and well-being. Next up, we have ginseng, a legendary herb that's been prized in traditional Chinese medicine for centuries. It's renowned for its ability to boost energy levels, strengthen the immune system, and promote overall vitality. Ginseng's claim to fame lies in its unique compounds called ginsenosides, which are believed to be responsible for its remarkable health benefits. These ginsenosides act as powerful antioxidants, protecting your cells from damage caused by harmful free radicals. One of the most well-known benefits of ginseng is its ability to enhance energy levels naturally. Unlike the quick burst and subsequent crash of caffeine, ginseng provides sustained energy. It's also been shown to support cognitive function, including memory, focus, and mental clarity. And in today's world, where a robust immune system is more important than ever, ginseng shines as a potent immune booster. Studies suggest that it can enhance the activity of immune cells, helping your body ward off infections. Its adaptogenic properties help your body cope with physical, mental, and emotional stresses. Ginseng is available in various forms, including capsules, powders, teas, and even candied slices. With its impressive track record of boosting energy, supporting immunity, and enhancing cognitive function, ginseng is a true gift from nature for promoting longevity and well-being. Let's move on to turmeric, a vibrant yellow spice that's been a cornerstone of traditional medicine systems for centuries. You probably know it as the star ingredient in curry powder, but turmeric is much more than just a culinary delight. It's a powerhouse of health benefits, largely attributed to its active compound, curcumin. Curcumin is a potent anti-inflammatory agent, meaning it helps to combat inflammation throughout the body. Chronic inflammation is a silent troublemaker, implicated in a wide range of health issues from joint pain to heart disease. Turmeric, with its curcumin content, steps in to help calm the inflammatory storm. Research suggests that it may also support a healthy cardiovascular system by helping to lower cholesterol levels and improve blood flow. A healthy heart is essential for a long and vibrant life. Curcumin has been shown to cross the blood-brain barrier, potentially protecting brain cells from damage and supporting cognitive function. Turmeric's antioxidant properties also deserve a standing ovation. Incorporating turmeric into your diet is easy and delicious. Add it to curries, soups, stews, or smoothies. You can also enjoy it as a soothing tea or take it in supplement form. With its remarkable anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and heart-healthy properties, turmeric is a golden treasure for promoting longevity and well-being. Now, let's explore the remarkable benefits of holy basil, also known as tulsi, a revered herb in Ayurveda. For centuries, it's been used to promote mental clarity, enhance stress resilience, and support overall well-being. Holy basil is a powerful adaptogen, meaning it helps your body adapt to stress and maintain balance. In today's fast-paced world, stress is a constant companion, but holy basil acts as a buffer, helping to regulate your stress response. It's also believed to support a healthy immune system by enhancing the activity of immune cells. And if you're looking to sharpen your mind and enhance focus, holy basil may be your new best friend. It's believed to improve cognitive function by increasing blood flow to the brain and protecting brain cells from damage. Holy basil is also a gentle yet effective way to support a healthy sleep cycle. It can be enjoyed as a tea, taken in supplement form, or even added to dishes for a burst of flavor and aroma. With its remarkable ability to combat stress, support immunity, and enhance mental clarity, holy basil is truly a sacred herb for promoting longevity and well-being. Finally, let's delve into the fascinating world of ginkgo biloba, one of the oldest living tree species on Earth. This ancient tree holds within its leaves a powerful extract that has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to enhance cognitive function and support overall brain health. Ginkgo biloba's claim to fame lies in its ability to improve blood flow to the brain. Think of it as a superhighway for oxygen and nutrients, essential for optimal brain function. By enhancing circulation, ginkgo biloba helps to nourish brain cells and keep them functioning at their best. One of the most well-known benefits of ginkgo biloba is its potential to enhance memory and concentration. Studies suggest that it may improve memory recall, particularly in older adults, and enhance focus and attention span. It's also a potent antioxidant, meaning it helps to protect brain cells from damage caused by harmful free radicals. Ginkgo biloba is also believed to support a healthy mood by balancing neurotransmitters in the brain. If you're looking to incorporate ginkgo biloba into your routine, it's widely available in supplement form. With its remarkable ability to enhance memory, improve focus, and protect brain cells, ginkgo biloba is a true gift from nature for promoting longevity and well-being. Thanks for watching. We've explored 5 incredible herbal treatments that have the potential to enhance your longevity and well-being. From ashwagandha's stress-busting power to ginkgo biloba's brain-boosting effects, these natural remedies offer a holistic approach to health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and wellness advice. Stay healthy and see you next time.
Stressed out? Time to unwind. Welcome to True Life Transformation. Here we guide you to ultimate relaxation. Today, we're diving into a simple but powerful breathing exercise. Close your eyes. Breathe in slowly through your nose, letting the air fill your lungs. Hold it for a moment. Now, exhale gently through your mouth. Imagine you're in a field of flowers or by the ocean, feeling the gentle breeze. Let your mind wander to these peaceful places. With each breath, release your worries. Breathe in calm. Breathe out stress. Continue this rhythm, focusing only on your breath. Feel the tension melt away. Repeat this exercise as often as you need. Your journey to relaxation starts here. Subscribe for more wellness tips and true life transformations. Remember, you deserve this moment of peace. Stay serene, stay well. Until next time.